What if kindness and responsibility weren't lofty ideals, but tiny, everyday choices your child makes before breakfast? They're not born from grand speeches, but from moments so small they're easy to miss: holding the door, feeding the pet, saying thank you to the bus driver. Kindness isn't just being nice. It's noticing when someone's struggling and choosing to act. Responsibility isn't about perfection. It's about follow-through. I said I'd water the plant, so I will, even if I forget twice. Start by naming these values in real time. When your child shares a toy, say, "That was kind, you saw your friend wanted a turn." When they put their dish in the sink without being asked, say, "You took responsibility for your mess." That helps our whole family. Give them meaningful roles, not chores as punishment, but contributions that matter. You're in charge of the dinner napkins, or can you be the light monitor? When kids feel needed, they rise to the occasion. Model it quietly. Let them see you pick up litter that isn't yours, return extra change at the store, or call a friend who's having a hard day. Don't announce it, just do it. They're watching. And when they fall short, forget their task. Snap at a sibling, respond with repair, not shame. You're usually so thoughtful. What happened? Then, how can you make it right? This separates the behavior from their identity. Asterisk, you made a mistake. You are still kind. Asterisk. Include them in family care. Grandma's not feeling well. What could we do? Maybe they draw a card, pick flowers, or help pack soup. Kindness grows when it's practiced, not just praised. At school or the park, ask gently, "Did you see anyone sitting alone today? What did you do?" Not to interrogate, but to keep empathy active. Most importantly, don't reward kindness with praise alone. Say, "How did it feel to help?" Help them connect the inner reward, the warmth of doing good, so they keep choosing it when no one's watching. In a world that often celebrates achievement over character, these quiet habits build something deeper, a moral compass that guides them long after they leave your home. Kindness and responsibility aren't extra. They're the foundation. Welcome to Genius Parenting, where values are lived, not just listed. If this reminded you that character is built in the everyday, give it a like. It helps other parents raise kids who care deeply and act with integrity. Share it with someone who believes the world needs more kind humans. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a genius parenting tip on raising grounded, compassionate, and deeply responsible children, one small choice at a time.